Innovation is at the heart of everything Vago does. This is why our motto is, we innovate. The best evidence is our junction box connector, which has been proven billions of times, making us the world market leader. However, we are determined to keep innovating. We have, for example, gone further to develop a compact junction box connector, and this applies to all our products. Vago is organized into two business units: electrical interconnections, including the entire range of electrical interconnect products, and automation, covering systems and solutions for both simple and complex automation applications. Today, we are a successful family-owned company under third-generation leadership. We have production sites in Germany, Minden, and Sondershausen. Other production sites are located in China, Switzerland, Poland, India, France, USA, and in Japan. We have more than 80 sales companies worldwide. This allows us to provide the best localized service to our customers globally.
Our central warehouse in Sondershausen allows us to supply our customers from a single location. We process up to 2,000 customer orders daily. We supply customers around the world.
The Square is one of the largest buildings in Europe. It is the roof of the ICE train station at the Frankfurt Airport. It has 2 hotels, a large car park, a shopping mall, and office units. It is virtually a small town covering 140,000 square meters. We at Hermos automate buildings and systems. Office spaces distributed on 11 floors and approximately 50 control centers had to be connected with each other. A total of more than 30,000 I/O modules and 1,000 control units from Vago have been installed. Neither program crashes nor system failures have occurred. Everything has been completed to the full satisfaction of the customer. Vago provided the right solution for us at every step of the project. Vensis manufactures wind turbines in Germany for the European market. The products from Vensis Elektrotechnik are virtually the brain of the wind power system, and Vago technology is at the center of it. Vago is an absolute must-have. Wind turbines as high as 140 meters are being manufactured and installed worldwide. This can present very challenging conditions for our service technicians. Depending on where the wind turbine is located, it may be very hot or very cold. Vago technology helps us reduce maintenance times while ensuring security for those working on the top of wind towers. Vago not only provides us with components, but also develops solutions with us. Our products are thoroughly tested before coming onto the market. Our product testing adheres to both national and international standards. Our own Vago internal standards go even beyond ordinary load limits, giving us clear insight into how our products will perform. Our goal is to supply our customers with technology that they can rely on to market their products successfully. The Herrenknecht AG is the world leader in tunneling technology. "99% of the entire decentralized I/O level consists of Vago components. It provides the communication between the brain and the electrical components. Terminal blocks have proven themselves, especially in high-end hard rock machines, which are often subjected to extreme dirt and vibrations. So far, we have implemented Vago products in 200 projects. I have never heard anywhere that a coupler or a module was defective. And if something were to ever happen, we'd always have the same contact person. And this over many years. Vago knows our needs, our problems, and will be ready with a solution. Vago China was founded in 1997 and has developed very quickly during the past few years. Today, more than 1,000 people are employed at the Tianjin location. As a global company with locations all over the world, we can support our customers very quickly, no matter where they're based. In our everyday work, we maintain close contact with our customers. By knowing their exact requirements, we can provide them with high-quality services. Beijing Railway Signal Company is the biggest manufacturer of rail signaling systems in China. We use Vago products in our signaling systems because they are vibration-proof, maintenance-free, flexible, and technologically sophisticated.
For me, working with Vago is based on congeniality, team spirit, and a feeling of unity. No matter what, we are always on equal footing, and this is very important for me.
For us at Vago, it is important to act with a sense of ecological responsibility because we know that resources such as fossil fuels are limited. Our products are made of steel, iron, and plastic materials. Plastic itself consists of oil, and when we see that this raw material is limited, we here at Vago know it's our responsibility to conserve these resources. As an ecologically minded company, we put this philosophy into practice throughout our locations globally. This includes sustainable buildings, for example with green roofs, geothermal energy, rainwater recycling, and heat recovery. With innovative components and systems, Vago contributes to safe devices and installations. At the same time, we provide our customers with cost-effective solutions. Focusing on continuous innovation requires creativity and persistence. This approach is based on leadership culture that gives our employees the freedom to think big and empowers them to take responsibility and encourages collaboration. With more than 6,000 employees worldwide, this is a challenge that we are ready to face again and again every day. What matters the most is creating the right connections, even between people. And people are the focus at Vago.